Yo, yo, yo. Andrew here. Today I'd like to teach you how to find the inverse of the function that's given here. F of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5. And they gave us a certain domain, but guess what? Who cares? Just disregard it. Okay? I treat domain in this problem like I treat significant figures. Who cares? Anyway, so how do we find the inverse function? And if you're like, what are significant figures? Don't worry. If you never have to worry about them, thank goodness. So you're going to take your f of x, and all you're going to do is write it as a y. Okay, that's going to be the first step. So anywhere you have your f of x, just write y. Then anywhere you have a y, you're going to write x. And everywhere you have an x, you're going to write a y. So this now becomes x is equal to 3y squared plus 5. And then you're going to take this equation and you're going to solve this for y. Okay? So you're going to solve this for y. So you're going to isolate it. Regular old algebra now. So you're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Okay? Subtract your 5 from both sides. So this is going to be x minus 5 is equal to 3y squared. And then you divide by 3, right? Both sides divide by 3. So this is x minus 5 over 3 is equal to then y squared. And then you'd have to take the square root of both sides, right? Because you got to get rid of y squared. You don't want the squared. You don't want y squared. You want y. All right? So this is then, that gets rid of the square. And what you're left with then is you're left with this particular expression. All right? And that's basically the inverse. I'm going to clean it up just a touch. Instead of writing y, all right, I'm going to write, instead of the y, I'm going to go back to my f of x, but I got to do something special. All right, instead of writing f of x just like that, I'm going to write a little minus 1 on the top to indicate that it is the inverse function. And all I'm going to do is just copy them what I got. All right, and there you go. That's all there is to it. You can graph these two functions if you wanted to see how they're related, but you really don't have to. All right, and that's it. I hope this helps. Take a look at our channel because we got thousands of videos out there, not only math, but chemistry and physics as well. We solve actual problems that you're probably going to see on your test. If you know how to do these flawlessly, your tests are going to be a joke. All right. There's no shortcut to hard work, but we're going to be there. We want to be there with you. We want to help you along the way. All right. We got you covered. I know it can be confusing, but if you just follow what we have, you'll do very well. I hope I was going to say see you. We'll talk to you. Or see you maybe. We also do tutoring. So maybe I'll see you. All right. Have a good one.